get on the bike. I'm down at Rydal, parked up just along here in the car park. I'm going to head down here. I'm doing another one of the Trailfinders routes. It's about 28.5 miles this one, but we'll see. We'll go down here, down towards Windermere and round towards Hawkshead. So I'll just keep showing you as we go. See how it works out. Doesn't look like a bad day. Bit low lying cloud on the way down, but looks like it's clearing a little bit. It's just after 8 o'clock, so hopefully the weather will stay nice for us. Starts off the same way as the one that I've been with Scott and Corey and Bailey. Let's not forget Bailey. I think we get further along here, instead of doing the climb up over the top, we head further out towards Windermere. Didn't realise this was a bridle way. First time I've been down this bit. On a bike, that is. Normally ride down here heading towards the Langdales or Coniston. Right. Another section I've not been down. The road's just on the other side of the wall. So I've travelled the road a few times, but I've never actually been on this path walking or biking. So a bad little path to ride. Nice little wood to ride through. Left towards Rear Castle, Low Rear campsite. Rear Castle. Turn left there at Rear Castle. Heading down towards the actual lake itself now, I think. Looking at my map, it is, yeah. We're down at the lake, so I thought I'd stop and have a look. You can see there, really nice. Water's really still, perfect for the paddleboard this morning. We'll go further down, see the path here, go so far down beside the actual lake, and you turn off a couple of miles down there, I think. Lovely place. Bike there, still looking clean. First time I've been down this path. It's a good thing about the mountain bike, it takes you to places you've never been, even though I've walked the vast majority of the wainwrights. I've only got a couple left to do. So all the big wainwrights around this area, I've walked them all, but I've not been here. So it's quite good in that sense. I've got to this point now. I thought I was going on there, but by the watch, it's up this way. Yeah, so this must be the techie climb he spoke of in the video he did. So I'll see how this goes. Yeah, well, that techie climb he spoke of is that one. On an e-bike it's not too hard, apart from in these conditions. It was wheel spinning like hell as you're trying to put a bit of power in, so that made it awkward. I think I'm at the top now. Go around there along, it levels off about here. A bit of bother me front brake squeaking. I'll just stop there to try and see if I can square the brake caliper up on the front. Well, I thought that down there was the top of the climb, I was wrong. I'm hoping this is. I think it is. I think you just go through this gate and it's sort of go back down towards Hawkshead, I think, over this side now. But that was a long climb. Made worse partially because I was on a bike on wet rock, so it was just like wheel spinning, so it made it really hard to get traction and sort of go anywhere. There's a couple of times I just got to stand still with the back wheel just spinning on slippery rocks. But hopefully this is the top now. I've had to take my coat off because I'm absolutely melting for all it's supposed to be not the best of weather. It's bloody getting quite warmer, you know. It's a stunning little ride through them woods, to be honest, so it's not too bad. View's starting to open up there. Oh wow, how nice does that look? You've got the top of where the views are starting to open up now. It's quite nice over there. I'm going to head down this path here, going up the map, straight on. Run, little fella. Head off this path here to the left. Nice scenic guys. Not a bad route so far. Not taking you directly to Hawkshead. Come right at the bottom end of where the pub is, Cuckoo's Nest or whatever. And my cycle's telling me heading for that. I think we're going to hit, once we get to there, I think we're going to drop down towards Hawkshead. Right, first time I've been to this spot. What a nice spot this is, isn't it? A nice place to come and camp and chill out. I don't know what's like around here for that. I'm just going to go up here now, follow that path up over the top and see where we go from there. You see in the distance there, you see an Langdale Pikes down there. The Crags and Bowfell in the cloud there behind it, but just to the left hand side. But it's stunning up here, absolutely loving this. Nice day for it. Some nice locations, place I've never been before. But it's quite nice. Yeah. That's just a short stretch. Well, pure mudfest this. Felling the trees down there, setting the trees down. Obviously churned it all up with a big plant. Hopefully get the end of it soon. Right, we've got the top of this climb. Seems to have been a long way from Hawkshead all the way up there, yeah. Just a gradual climb, not overly steep, but certain parts kicked up a little bit. I think this way now we head down towards let's see, Hodge Close Quarry that way on. Tarn House is just over the top of there. Black Crag's just up there. So yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I think that's where we're heading down that way. Right, we've come down to Heinkel now. Normally when I've been with Scott in the past, we've come down here and down there and over towards Hodge Close. This time I'm going to go up and back down the other side and see where we go from there. Well, climb back up the bit that we normally go down. Normally go the opposite way to here. It'll be a new experience going the other way. See what this is like. The way I would come out if I didn't go back over Ironkeld, come down here and up over there towards Hodgeclose. It's a route that we've done in the past, so I just had a bit of a road climb to get back up to this stage. Anybody that's seen my previous videos will recognise this. It's been a few times I've done this bit. Stop there to have my banana, a bit of chocolate. I head off again now. Just going to head down this path here. I think there's a hairpin so far down. We come back along this way, and that's when it'll be like fresh again to me. I've done all this, but we went further down last time and round. I think it's time we take an earlier turn and go down this side towards Cathedral Caverns. We'll see. Yeah, there's hairpin here. Moving along this bit, so see where we go. I might clean the bike off. I'll shut the gate for you. Yeah, the daisy. A new part of what I've been in before. This bit takes you down to the Langdales, go down past the quarry instead of down into the water where we went last time. Best path. It's lost my momentum now. Should have kept that going straight down that side. Just come down past Chapel Style kind of side. heading on the road by the path down towards Stickle Barn, but I think we turn off somewhere down here and cross over and start working our way back towards Loughrigg Terrace. A long time since we've been down this end. I'll explain that. All I need, cows on the road. Really hate these things. Yeah, downside to this ride, I think I've got a ride towards the youth hostel now, Allen Road. We'll see. I don't know whether it'll take us off anywhere. We'll find out shortly. Just coming down towards Chocolate Style now. Chocolate Style, there's a nice little shop down there, a nice pub. Wainwright pub. Some lovely food in there. There's VG just on our left. Just there. Well, this is the last climb now. I'm going to top of here where the youth hostel is and go around Loughrigg Terrace back down to Rydal and back to the car. I just got into the woods now. Last stretch. Get down onto Loughrigg Terrace and then down to Rydal Water and back to the car. Loughrigg Terrace, Grasmere there. A lot of people there with the paddle boards playing about. Nice day for it. Alright. Well, back to the car now. Been a good ride out, that one. Took a bit longer than I was expecting, to be honest, so a bit of a range test for the bike, or 29 mile I think we've done. So I think the bike's probably on this terrain, probably only rated maybe 30, low 30 miles. So that's that one done, so until the next one, I'll see you later.